How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
All right. Get back at it. How you doing, bud?
Everything hurts in my body. It's just painful.
You're doing a great job, though, man.
Yeah.
You really are. Done, Jack. I'll let you know if you go up for one more. If I point my finger at you one more, you go for another one. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go. This is it, buddy. Keep coming. This is it. This is it, man. This is it. You just did it, man.
Yep.
How many laps? 927 laps, this kid, 13 years old, with
21.2 kilometers.
with a broken foot, man. Unreal. You killed it. You killed it. You killed it, Josh. Just amazing. Wow.